Today we will take the interview of our chemistry sir, Nadeem, regarding the impurities of water. What cause the impurities in water?
Actually, impurity inside the water may be caused by the different factors. Just like industrial sewage, agricultural waste, and suspended and the dissolved particle inside the water can cause the impurities. And the presence of impurity will proliferate the growth of the different microbes. So, due to the different growth of the different microbes, the water becomes unhealthy for the drinking purpose.
Check the level of impurities.
Actually, we can check the level of impurity by using a KMnO4. Our tap water may contain different impurities. If the impurities are present inside the water, the color of KMnO4 may change. We can use our tap water, our distilled water. Our distilled water do not contain any impurity, but tap water may contain the different impurities. By using a KMnO4, if we add a KMnO4 into the tap water, the color of KMnO4 may change from colorless to purple, but in case of the distilled water, the color remains purple. Or either we can use a pH meter to check out the pH of our distilled water or a tap water. In case of a tap water, usually the impurities are acidic, the pH will drop from 7 to acidic range. So through these two methods, we can check the pH level, or we can check the change in the color of KMnO4 to check out the impurity level. And also we can check the impurity level through the turbidity method.
What is the common method to purify water in homeland?
Actually, the common method at home level to purify the water is simply a boiling process. Before boiling, we need to filter the suspended particle, then boil the water. Or boiling process must be proceed for 5 to 10 minutes to kill all the microbes. So once the microbe will kill and filter this water, and the water become purified, and we can use for it drinking purpose.
What is the difference between tap water, distilled water, filtered water and mineral water?
Actually, the tap water, the source of tap water is river and the lakes, and the tap water contain all the nitrates, phosphates and the different microbes. So the tap water is unhealthy for the drinking purpose, so we need to purify the tap water before drinking purpose. So a filter water is that water in which we can remove all the dissolved and the suspended particle, and animal charcoal is used to remove the bad odor from the water, and the chlorination of the water is done to kill all the germs or bacteria within this tap water to convert the tap water into a filtered water. But what's the difference between distilled water and a mineral water? A mineral water is that water in which we have added additional minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron and zinc. And this addition of the mineral water will either be the excessive use of this mineral in the water may cause a kidney stones, may cause epox, or may cause blotting, different phenomena if we regularly drink this mineral water excessively. But a distilled water is a that water which is distilled to remove all the soluble salts, or is the purest one salt, or a distilled water is used for the different tests in the lab.